The best feeling is when somebody buys one of my photos and then they email me a couple weeks later and say, when I come home from work, the first thing I do is look at your photo and I smile. When I hear something like that, I mean, it's all worth it.
Peter, we also wanted to ask you, what do you think your Mount Rushmore of dream clients look like?
Well, eventually I have to say one of my dreams for my business in general is to have my own gallery and then have my own series of fine art photography galleries. I'm envisioning galleries basically around the world, major resort destinations, with my photos, prints of my photos available for sale. So I love to express myself artistically, creatively through my photography. But the best feeling is when somebody buys one of my photos and then they email me a couple weeks later and say, when I come home from work, the first thing I do is look at your photo and I smile. When I hear something like that, I mean, it's all worth it, you know? And I have sold prints to collectors as far away as Australia. And so the idea that people are purchasing my art as a way to improve their lives, something that brings them joy, satisfaction, that's my ideal client, you know, somebody who really loves my work and who gets that kind of joy and fulfillment out of it.
Are those the most rewarding experiences when you do get this customer feedback?
I think it's true for any business. You know, I mean, we're actually, you know, I can't think of anybody who's in business, whether you're a large corporation or a freelancer, who you're not providing value to somebody in some way. And by providing value, you're enhancing their lives, you know? So some people, if you're a dentist, you enhance somebody's life with dental health. If you're a company like you guys, you're providing a solution for, you know, a creative expression while communicating in a very high quality way. So you're providing a need, you're solving a problem, you're providing value to people. So if I can do that with my art, it's awesome. You know, it's something I love to do and it's something people love.